the assembly is required in the living nightmare. You've got nowhere to run now, and the door is left open inside your mind, and no one's leaving the party for to take the round. Now that we're making you rewind and optimize. You don't belong here, scared and afraid. Take your final steps and work out the shade. Maybe that's like me, built from the machines. Where have we come from that we gotta escape this nightmare? You got nowhere to run now, and the door is left open inside your mind, and no one's leading the fight. It's for to take the round now, and we're making you refine and optimize. And now when the door is left open inside their mind, and now we're leading this life, we want to take